Hi Librans, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into some oracle texts that I have here. We do have Celtic Lenormand as well for a quick message from the universe. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Librans. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the High Priestess. Possibly this period was marked by surprises. Maybe there was also excess communication. Perhaps Librans, you were also up and about. Maybe there were demands on you from your family members or loved ones and acquaintances. That is why you may have felt as though you were always coming to the rescue, but then they were not acknowledging you. Anyhow, Librans, I think the universe will definitely reward you for your acts of kindness. Some kind of movement or travel was also there on the cards for many of you. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that August is going to present for you is the Moon card. Possibly you're dealing with some kind of confusion, whether in relationships or with respect to your professional life. I think you need to follow your intuition. Besides, I think your temperament could also be suspect this month. At times, you may also be feeling as though you're going around in circles and there's no end in sight. Again, Librans, I'm also picking up that there could be travel or you may be commuting great distances. Influences for the month, we have the Three of Cups. August will also be marked by reunions. I think your social life is also going to be on the upswing, so it will be best to capitalize. Maybe you should network and promote your skills. In case you are inept at handling the demands of the social media, then maybe you should take the assistance of somebody who's younger or well equipped with the working of the social media. Perhaps this person could help you promote yourself. I think youngsters will also seek your good counsel. Largely, I think Librans, you will benefit on account of your friends and acquaintances this month, so you need to tap into your contacts. The first 10 days of August, we have the Six of Cups. Oftentimes, you will be gripped by nostalgia. You know this lady here, she seems to be in deep thought. Perhaps she's also yearning for someone. I think there could also be an estrangement in a relationship in this time. Incidentally, many of you could also be dealing with a past life issue here. Maybe you should also tone down your tongue. Maybe you should not use harsh or blunt words. It could actually harm your relationship. Ironically, Librans, in this time you could also be called to play the peacemaker. Maybe you're going to offer the olive branch as well. There'll be delays on the professional front, but then you can take heart from the fact that the task will be done. Besides, I think you're going to be assisted by your colleagues. I think your boss is also somebody who's going to saddle you with excess work. She knows that you're competent, but she also knows that in case you get a better job opportunity, then you will be quick to pack your bags and leave. Some days, you may be thinking of quitting, but then it is best to have something in hand before you put in your papers. In these days also, you should be prepared because you need to have a very flexible approach. Maybe unscheduled work could also come up. Sometimes, you could also be a bit unnerved because your ideas may find no takers. Maybe your colleagues are critical of your ideas. Perhaps there's also some kind of backbiting that is going on behind the scenes. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Queen of Cups. I think you could find yourself getting all worked up on account of problems that you're facing, whether at work or on the professional front. Possibly, you have to run errands for your family members. There could be tension that you're dealing with. Nevertheless, I think in this period you will be at your creative best. I think you're going to be quite imaginative and also your intuition will be in full swing. Many Librans could also be having prophetic dreams in this time. Incidentally, on the work front also you could be dealing with somebody who is trying to pull the rug from under your feet. Maybe this person is trying to assert her authority over you. This is why you feel that your position is being undermined or you feel threatened in the job. Ideally, I think Librans, you should have a more cooperative approach. Maybe you should put your ego aside, as this is also a challenge which is preparing you for greater things ahead in life. So you should face these challenges. Towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Five of Cups. Ideally, I think Librans in this time you should clarify before you point fingers at others. There could also be mistrust in your relationship. You see this lady here, she's covering her face with her hands. So this is why I think you want to be all by yourself. You may be quite emotional and withdrawn here. Maybe you're indifferent towards your family members. Even on the work front, I think you'd be a bit distracted. Maybe you lose focus or you lack focus in this time. Perhaps your boss is somebody who's breathing down your neck. He or she expects you to do the task right away, and this means that time is at a premium for you. I think you should accept God's plans. Even if there's a mistrust in a relationship, I think you should work around it. Also, I think Librans, you should not talk about your plans. Maybe you should hold your cards close to your chest rather than revealing them in public. Basically, I think Librans, you have to accept whatever the universe has in store for you. With respect to your love life, I have this card, New Direction. Perhaps many of you are walking away from a relationship which is not going anywhere, or maybe you are taking a new direction in a particular relationship. Possibly also your focus is all on yourself. I think this card is also reminding me of you getting insight from the spirit world, because you see the light is shining down on this lady here as she is walking towards the distance. Possibly this card also talks about some insight that you're gaining, or you're going to be guided in your relationships from the spirit world, because this lady, she is walking towards the sunlight. Single Librans, you'll definitely be wooed by the opposite sex. I'm also picking up that there's a possibility of a work-related romance. Possibly you should go with the flow. I think you're coming across as someone who is quite creative, flirtatious. Maybe you also have a way with words. Besides, I think you're also somebody who's quite free with compliments. That is why this person is going to be charmed by your demeanor. Ideally, I think Librans, you should not put limitations on yourself. Perhaps this is also a person from your past who is re-entering your life. Maybe it's time to acknowledge your feelings for this person rather than walk away from it. Perhaps, Librans, you're walking away from this relationship because you feel the pressure. Maybe your family may not warm up to this connection, or maybe there are societal differences that you have to maneuver. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you're continuing to cyberstalk this person. Those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship should not read too much into this relationship. Maybe you're also presupposing or imagining things. Sometimes, you feel as though you're in a state of suspension because this person is not acknowledging his feelings for you. Romancing Librans, definitely you will enjoy free-flowing conversations. Maybe there'll also be dinner dates. We do have the Three of Cups in your reading, so maybe you're going to socialize and have fun with this person. Nevertheless, I think there are going to be those obstacles in your love life. Maybe your family members want you to put an end to this connection. Basically, Librans, you have to be careful because there are prying eyes. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you should avoid disagreements. This month, you'll also be concerned about your spouse's health. Maybe even your in-laws or your parents are unwell. That is why you could be the caregiver. Interestingly, many Librans, you could also be alarmed because your spouse could talk about family foes who are trying to harm the family's interests. Maybe you should keep your spouse informed about your whereabouts in case you're venturing out of the house. Anyway, if you do the same, then obviously he's not going to be anxious. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity could be an issue here. Maybe your spouse is very suspicious. Possibly you're also somebody who could suspect that something is brewing between your spouse and a third person. Some of you could also have an heated exchange with your person. That is why you may threaten to walk out of this relationship and head to a new direction. Ideally, I think Librans, you should avoid disagreements. You should maintain your cool. Maybe you're also somebody who's complaining about inane matters. From Lenormand, we do have this card, Home. Possibly your focus is also on the home. Some of you could also be discussing home improvements, or maybe there's inheritance involved here as well. Largely, I think the focus is on stability and security of your loved ones. Incidentally, we did talk about your spouse talking about the family force. That is why I think your concern could be towards the home. The last card in this reading is relationship dynamics. I think Librans, you may be outgrowing a relationship. Maybe you're also going to question your own position in a particular relationship. Perhaps you're being more sensitive to your own needs or your own emotional awareness. Certainly, relationships also cause for compromise. So maybe if there are disagreements that can be worked upon, then Librans, you should do so. Some of you could also benefit on account of counseling as well. Ideally, I think Librans, you need to heal yourself to heal the relationships that you are a part of. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.